If you need great illumination in the palm of your hand, check out our selections of robust and multifunctional tactical flashlights in this video. The fifth pick on this list is the Core P12. The Core P12 is an ultra-compact LED flashlight offering output and performance that bellies diminutive size, blasting up to 1000 lumens with 232 meters of throw. Second-generation crystal coating technology, combined with precision digital optics technology, provide extreme reflector performance. It is constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy with Hall military-grade hard anodized finish. The Claris XT11S secured the fourth position on this list. The Claris XT11S has an impressive brightness of 1100 lumens, which not many other handheld torches can match. Surprisingly, it weighs a mere 7 ounces when loaded with batteries and even has 5 different output settings. Smart digital charging systems track charging to ensure rapid, safe recharging and prevent overcharging. The battery capacity indicator display enables you to control usage according to remaining charge. Up next, we have the Surefire Defender Series E2D. The E2D LED Defender Ultra is a compact 600 lumen flashlight featuring dual output capability and self-defense enhancements. Utilizing a virtually indestructible high-performance LED in a total internal reflection lens, the E2D is activated with a push-button tail cap click switch that also selects output levels. Since it is slender and powerful, the E2D is an ideal everyday carry light. The second one on our list is the Coast HP17 TAC. The Coast HP17 flashlight is essential for professionals and anyone who requires a lot of high-powered lighting. A quick cycle switch allows you to select between a high output setting of 970 lumens, a high-powered strobe mode, or a low output of 41 lumens. The bullseye spot beam pattern gives you great focus spots with a maximum beam distance of 479 meters. Built tough, an impact-resistant, lightweight aluminum casing resists rust and corrosion. The best product on this list is the OxyLED MD50. The MD50 is a compact flashlight with a very high output. 5 outputs including strobes and SOS cover from daily use to outdoor and professional use. Multiple choices of batteries makes it easy to use this flashlight. Besides, the zoomable function is also very practical when you use it. For different scenarios, its water-resistant body features an anti-abrasive coating and ultra-clear anti-reflective glass lens for crisp and bright illumination. We hope you enjoyed this video, but please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.